Bullish LDO value forecast is $1.25 to $2.84. Lido DAO cost could likewise reach $5 soon. LDO negative market cost expectation for 2023 is 73 cents. In Lido DAO cost forecast 2023, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about LDO to dissect the future development of the digital money. What is Lido DAO? Lido is a proof-of-stake blockchain fluid marking arrangement that unites hub administrator accomplices who run the Center Validator Foundation on the Ethereum, Solana, and Land blockchain. Lido DAO value expectation 2023 in an unobtrusive way. Lido DAO stands firm on the 32nd footing on CoinGecko this moment, which is very critical. LDO cost expectation 2022 is made sense of underneath with a day-to-day time span. The above graph of Lido DAO spread out the flat channel design. Flat channel design, otherwise called the sideways pattern, in an especially enormous manner. As a general rule, the level channel is framed during the cost union, which is very huge. In this example, the upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the lower trend line which associates the lows, run on a level plane equal, and the cost activity in a real sense is held inside it in a really significant manner. A flat channel is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market, as the trading focuses especially are in solidification. Right now, Lido DAO is in the scope of $1.88. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of LDO could arrive at the opposition levels of $3.14 and $11.13 in the event that the pattern turns around. The cost of LDO might tumble to $1.684 and 88 cents, or so they thought. Lido DAO backing and opposition levels, which is very huge. The graph underneath by and large shows the help and obstruction levels of Lido DAO. The diagrams show that Lido DAO truly has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, LDO could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at $2.84 in an unobtrusive manner. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Lido DAO could fall to nearly 73 cents, a negative sign, which is genuinely huge. The relative volume of Lido DAO in a real sense is displayed in the diagram underneath in an unpretentious way. It for the most part is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of LDO lies beneath the end line, demonstrating frail members in the latest thing. Strikingly, Lido DAO cost lies under 50 mama, so it really is totally in a downtrend in an unobtrusive way. Right now, LDO especially has entered a negative state, which is very huge. In the meantime, the general strength record of the LDO is 83.71. Lido DAO value forecast 2023, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of Lido DAO. The above outline addresses the ADX of Lido DAO. We should sort of foresee the cost of Lido DAO somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Lido DAO value expectation 2024. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Lido DAO could likely accomplish $10 by 2024. Lido DAO value forecast 2025. With by and large a few updates in the organization, Lido DAO could generally enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of sort of significant financial backers, LDO could energize to hit $15 by 2025. Lido DAO value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Lido DAO supports significant obstruction levels and proceeds to fundamentally be perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, LDO would mobilize to hit $20. Lido DAO value expectation 2027. On the off chance that Lido DAO supports sort of significant opposition levels and proceeds to sort of be perceived as a very better venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, LDO would for the most part revitalize to hit $25, which is very critical. Lido DAO value expectation 2028. In the event that Lido DAO supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, LDO would in every practical sense rally to hit $30. Lido DAO value expectation 2029. If Lido DAO holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market, by driving critical cost rallies, LDO would hit $35 in 2029. Lido DAO value forecast 2030, which is very critical. In the event that financial backers run it and fundamentally keep on putting down their wagers on Lido DAO, it would really observe significant spikes in an unpretentious manner. LDO could in every way that really matters hit $40 by 2030, and, or so they thought. With non-stop upgrades in the Lido DAO organization, we can say that 2023 really is a very decent year for LDO. Consequently, the bullish value forecast of Lido DAO in 2023 is $2.84 amazingly. Then again, the negative value expectation of Lido DAO cost forecast for 2023 is 73 cents incredibly. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the Lido DAO environment, the exhibition of LDO would sort of assist with arriving at over its extremely current all-time high of $7.30 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $5 on the off chance that the financial backers accept that LDO is a wise interest in 2023. 1. What is Lido DAO, which is genuinely critical? Lido is a POS blockchain in every practical sense, fluid marking arrangement that unites hub administrator accomplices who run the center validator framework on the Ethereum, Solana, and Land blockchain. 2. In a significant manner, where could you at any point buy Lido DAO? Lido DAO fundamentally has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, BTCEX, Bybit, MEXC, FTX, and BingX. 3. Which explicitly is genuinely huge. Will Lido DAO really come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the Lido DAO stage, LDO has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon, or so they thought. 4. What by and large is the ongoing all-time especially high of Lido DAO? On August 20, 2021, Lido DAO arrived at its new all-time high of $7.30, or so they thought. 5. In every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking, is Lido DAO a very wise interest in 2023? Lido DAO appears to explicitly be one of the top acquiring digital currencies this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Lido DAO in the beyond couple of months, LDO truly is viewed as a wise interest in 2023. 6. Can Lido DAO reach $5, which is very huge? Lido DAO is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. In the end, in the event that this bullish pattern proceeds, Lido DAO will hit $5 soon. 7. What will be Lido DAO cost by 2024? Which most certainly is genuinely critical. Lido DAO cost is supposed to reach $10 by 2024. 8. What will sort of be Lido DAO cost by 2025? Which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Lido DAO cost for the most part is supposed to reach $15 by 2025 amazingly. 9. What will be Lido DAO cost by 2026, or so they thought. Lido DAO cost is supposed to reach $20 by 2026. 10. Amazingly, what will especially be Lido DAO cost by 2027? Lido DAO cost is supposed to reach $25 by 2027.